Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel. So, for those of you that have been around for a while, you would know that this angle isn't a normal angle. That's because we've upgraded, and we're back. Who would have thought that just 4 years after getting my license, I would be in this truck? Like, this is like really close to my dream truck. I'm only 20 and I already have that. I don't know how I feel about this, guys. So for those of you that have been around for a while would know, this is what I've been driving, right? Chevy Blazer. And as you can see, it's been well loved. We got a dent here. I think we got a dent. Oh yeah, right here, this whole thing. But like, it's been well loved. And it's been used a lot. And I thought it was about time to get an upgrade, right? But as a lot of you know, the used market is not the great right now for cars. Let alone if like new cars either. It just sucks. And so when I found this truck, I'm like, yo, I had to jump on it like instantly. It was in the price budget, and like everything I wanted was like on this truck. And I'm like, yo, I gotta jump on that now. So I immediately messaged the guy. I'm like, yo, I'm coming to get it. And he's like, and so a week ago, I went down and I picked it up. And so, I mean, like, look at this. Look at that. Let's get a side profile. That. Look at that thing. I'm like, I'm taking it. Because why the heck not? It's in, let's jump inside, it's cold. Ugh. I'm chilling in the back seat now, but look at this. Look at this, guys. I'm almost 6 foot. I've got leg room back here, comfortably. And this seat's like slid like almost all the way back. I'm like, this is perfect, because now I can like go on trips and I can go do things that I couldn't do in the past, because that car wasn't the greatest. It had a lot of problems. Like, it was enough to get me to and from work, and back when I was in high school, got me to and from school. But I needed an upgrade, and this thing takes the cake. Like, legroom, I could sleep in the back comfortably if I wanted to. Easy, no worries whatsoever. But I'm just like, I got my truck! All the aftermarket stuff that I was gonna do to it, it already has done. So I'm like, why wouldn't I get this? Like, we got the aftermarket stereo, we got aftermarket speakers. This truck just made sense to get, because like price-wise it's in my budget. It has like a lot done to it already that I really wanted done, and the market's going crazy. And I was like, if I don't get this now, who knows when my next chance will be to get just a vehicle that works in general. So when I saw this, I'm like, jumping on that right away. But now that I have a truck that I feel like comfortable driving in, we're going tripping, boys. Like, we're going on trips to like California, Oregon, Washington, Idaho, Wyoming, Montana, Texas, maybe even Maine, Oregon. No, I just said Oregon. Maine, Virginia's. Like, I want to go places now. And now that the truck can like get me there and back safely, I think we're doing it. Especially this summer, I'm really hoping that I can get some plans made with some friends and get tripping. So stay tuned for all those videos. They'll be coming out throughout the summer, probably even fall. Hopefully we can hit up another F1 race. That would be fun. We did that last year and it was 10 out of 10 experience. But this time I'm gonna have ear protection, because I was like right up by the track and they were just hauling by, and I'm just like, I can't hear a thing. Like, I'm screaming at my brother right across from me. Nothing. Can't even hear a word. So hopefully we can go back and do that. Yeah, I don't know where this video is going. I just want to talk about the truck, let you guys know, give you guys a little update on what things will be going down in the future, what happened, why I kind of was off for like 2 weeks, because I was really wanting to get this truck and it just took a lot of time, and I was talking back and forth to this guy a lot. And so we're good. I'm back. Videos are back. Can't wait to show you guys all the fun stuff we'll do, and yeah, we'll see you guys then. Peace.